Hello, it's Forex News for Thursday, February 18th, provided to you by InstaForex News team and me, Rika Isakova. In December, foreign investors were buying American assets actively, however, the general purchase volumes reduced compared to the previous month, as in December were fixed record sales of government bills. It was approved by the data on investment capital movements over the U.S. border released on Tuesday by the U.S. Finance Ministry. Net purchases of the U.S. long-dated securities by foreign investors amounted to $50.9 billion in December. In November, this indicator touched $114.1 billion rate. The monthly report of the U.S. Treasury reflects international obtaining of securities with more than a year date of maturity, including non-market transactions such as swaps with principal payment from asset-backed securities. The market participants are watching attentively over the net operation flow of the U.S. long-term securities, not taking into account open market operations. In December, this index fixed the sales volume at $63.3 billion against the November level of $126.4 billion. The widest category monthly net flow of investment capital includes non-market movements, short-term securities, and dollar assets fluctuations in the banks. In December was recorded a net foreign capital inflow reaching $60.9 billion versus a month earlier volume of $30.7 billion. Applying to the last week findings, the trade balance deficit of the USA reached $40.18 billion in December, that by 10.4% higher than in November. That time the deficit stood at $36.39 billion. China gave its title of the major state securities holder to the USA. China is the owner of $755 billion treasury bonds of the USA, while Japan has papers in the amount of $769 billion. Great Britain has more than $300 billion bonds at its disposal, taking the third place. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team and me, Rika Isakova. Thank you for watching us and goodbye.